Hello everyone, I am Diya and today I have this Diya with me. So do you know how does it lighten up the whole night, brightening our rooms on the night of Diwali? So let me tell you today. This is because of the capillary motion. When we pour the tail inside this hair, the tail goes upwards towards the wick. As it is made up of cotton, it has lots of canals and the tail it goes upward, so it is able to lighten up. The same thing happens in plants also. When we pour the water into the soil, then the capillary motion happen and the water goes soil, then to the roots, then to the stem, and finally it reaches the leaf. So when this was connected to its tree, how water reached to it? So it was connected with a trunk, and when rain happened, cause occasionally don't everybody water trees, so when rain happened, the rain drips on the soil it forwards to the roots to the stem, and the stem finally to the leaves. Through this there are canals here, so this was also because of the capillary motion. So now I would like to share a story with you all. There was Ganesh Chaturthi going on, and many devotees came to offer milk to Ganesha's murti. So they used a spoon and put it near his mouth, the mouth of the statue, and mysteriously the milk every time vanished. Some said that Lord Ganesha was drinking the milk, but when scientists researched on it, they said this was because of the capillary motion. Though this was not clearly found, there was some people saying that Lord Ganesha is drinking, and some rejected the idea of capillary motion, and some said the position of planets was like that the milk was vanishing, and some even said that this was because of the surface tension, and it was not found clearly, but most of the time when we consider this issue, this was because of the capillary motion. And when the murti was made of stones and steels that time, so when the devotees put the spoon filled with milk towards his mouth, the milk went to the canal, and capillary motion was been there. Though it was not clearly considered, we use it in our daily life and it happens daily, but we do not consider it so much. That's a wonder. So thank you everyone. Happy National Science Day.